Timer objects.
Hi, I'm Karen. I created this video on timer objects for Georgia College and State University. This video will teach you what a timer object is and show you how to use it in your own code.
What is a timer object? A timer object regularly generates action events at programmer-specified time intervals. Timer objects can be useful when you want a program to perform an operation at certain times or after an amount of time has passed. The timer class. Timer objects are created from the timer class, which is found in the package import javax.swing. The general format of the timer class's constructor is timer, int delay, action listener, listener. Let's take a closer look at the timer class constructor. The argument passed into the delay parameter is the amount of time between the action events in milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. The argument passed into the listener parameter is a reference to an action listener that is to be registered with the timer object. You can pass null as the argument and use the addActionListener method to register an action listener later. The timer class has a series of methods associated with it. These methods include void addActionListener, int getDelay, boolean isRunning, void setDelay, void start, and void stop. Let's look at a sample program demonstrating the timer class. We begin by importing javax.swing.star, which is the package where the timer class is located. I then import several additional packages that are needed for the action listener. We begin our program by saying public class timerTest2 extends JFrame. I named mine timerTest2 and it extends JFrame because we need that to work with the action listener. We then declare some of our variables, private timer, and public int count set equal to 0. We then begin the code for our timer constructor. Our timer constructor is called down here in the main method. We say public static void main string args, and we call new timerTest2. That'll get us into the timerTest2 constructor. Inside the constructor we say timer equals new timer. We pass 1000 milliseconds, which was equal to 1 second, and we say new timer listener. We then begin the timer by saying timer.start. So let's look at the timer listener class that we just called. We have private class timer listener implements action listener. We then have our action performed method inside our action listener, which accepts an action event E. Every time this action event is recorded, we're going to increment count and print out count plus seconds elapsed. So what this program basically does, we have a count variable set equal to 0. We have a timer which has a delay of 1 second, which means that every second we're going to increment count and print out how many seconds have elapsed. To see this in action, we'll go ahead and compile our code. We'll run it. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, and there you have a timer.
I hope this video has helped you gain a better understanding of what a timer object is and how to use it in your own code. Good luck!